Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Kiyomi M698 massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. Cut away the straps, then lift the box straight up and set aside. Then remove the packing material from the top of the chair. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, unwrap the surrounding plastic. This next step will require some assistance from a partner. Lift the chair up out of the tray and gently set it on the ground. Lift from the back and the base. Do not grab the chair's arm panels to move or position the chair. Gently fold the footrest down from the seat pad. Next, remove the accessory box. In the accessory box, we have the tablet remote, the tablet holder, one power cord, 2 spare foot clips, 2 spare leg assembly screws, 3 spare remote assembly screws, a screwdriver, a quick start guide, the assembly guide, the user manual, a letter from the CEO, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Next, remove the tablet holder, and the screwdriver from the accessory box. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the 3 pre-installed screws in the tablet holder platform. Now, place the tablet onto the platform. Then, re-screw each of the 3 screws back into place. Gently clip the cover into place over the screws. Now place the tablet on the seat and attach the tablet cord to the connection port located on the left side of the chair seat. Be careful to line up the pins and key, then push together when aligned. Screw the cords together to secure. Place the tablet into the tablet holder. Now, let's install the seat cushion. Locate the zippers on the front and sides of the seat pad. Start by zipping the right side. Then the left. And finish by zipping the front zipper. Locate the power cord and connect it into a grounded outlet. Then, flip the main power switch on the back side of the base of the chair to off. Now, plug the power cord into the respective port and flip the main power switch back on. To familiarize yourself with the tablet remote control, use your phone to scan the QR code printed on the remote tablet's screen film packaging. This will take you to the Kyota website, where you can watch a video tutorial on all the tablet remote features and functions of your new premium massage chair. Scroll down the page to find the Kiyomi M698 remote tutorial. Now remove the film cover and press the power button on the right edge of the tablet to wake the screen. Please read and accept the warning screen, then run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. If everything is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Kiyomi M698 4D Premium Massage Chair.